It's Ashley from the Loopy Lamb, and I have my October 2020 knit crate here today to share with you. And so we're going to open it up. And the first thing I wanted to mention is that this month it came in this biodegradable bag instead of the box. So I'm very happy to see that. I'm always happy when a business makes a decision to change their packaging that's better for the environment. So very happy about that. So let's open this up and see what we got. All right, this looks so much fun. Really pretty dark charcoal color here, and it says that this month's crate is inspired by Nudes. It says about your eco-friendly subscription. So this card just kind of talks about how they're making changes that are better for the environment. And then you can download the pattern book online, and they partnered with this crate with Knitcrate, who is also a fellow Canadian. So excited to see what pattern she came up with. And this is super cute. I hope you guys can see this. Actually, I'll take it out of the bag because that bag does tend to cause reflections. Look at this cute little stitch marker. It's a little hank of yarn. It is so cute. And it says this is from Hook and Cable, and they have an Etsy shop here. hookandcable.etsy.com, and you can find them on Instagram at hook.and.cable. This is so cute. All right. Now for the most important thing is the yarn. So like these are some really chunky hanks this month, and hopefully you guys can read this tag. It's Uru yarn. It says by Knitcrate Chonk. This colorway says it's a Shiraz in the City. It's 82% merino wool, 18% Peruvian Pima cotton. It's super bulky. So they finally have started adding the weight of the yarn back to the tags, which is great. And each hank has 109 yards and is 100 grams. For care, it is machine wash on gentle cycle and lay flat to dry. Awesome. So although you can't throw it in the dryer, I'm thrilled that it can at least be put in the machine. So it's got a little bit of a fuzz. It's actually, I don't know what kind of stitch definition it's going to have because the strands kind of just seem to be blending together. It is quite soft. I love the look of this color, and I'm excited to try working this up. I think I'm actually might knit this one this month. And because I saw on Instagram that Chantel from Knititude actually made a really beautiful cabled dicky with the yarn for this month. So if I have enough to make it in my size or even the size for a friend for a gift, I might try that. But really, really beautiful colors. And I believe the other colors for this month, the natural color was an off-white color, like a creamy color. And the other color, because this is the Chill Out crate, the Energize Me crate was a really beautiful red clay color. So yeah, this is what I got for this month. Absolutely beautiful, and I cannot wait to try it. If you haven't tried Knitcrate and you are interested in giving it a try, you can use my discount code that's exclusive to my subscribers called Loopy20, LOOPY20. And if you use that through the link in the description box below, you can save 20% off your first Knitcrate subscription box. If you have any suggestions for what you think would look great in this yarn, or if you got this and you've made something, I'd love to hear what you made. Leave a comment in the comment box below, and I'd love to hear from you. If you enjoyed this video, please hit that like button and consider subscribing to my channel. If you enjoy free crochet patterns, please check out my blog, theloopylamb.com. Thanks so much for watching. Happy hooking, friends, and I'll see you next time.